Meaning of depressurize.
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 Depressurize. The term depressurize refers to the process of reducing or removing the pressure from an enclosed space or system. As a result of depressurization, the air pressure inside the space decreases, causing gases and liquids to expand and potentially escape. This can have various effects, depending on the specific situation. For example, in an airplane, depressurization can cause a drop in oxygen levels and lead to breathing difficulties for passengers. In a chemical reaction, depressurization can cause uncontrolled reactions or even explosions. Overall, depressurization can have serious consequences if not managed properly.